Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we will be looking at a certified pre-owned 2016 S550 4MATIC. Under the hood is a 4.7 V8 twin turbo pushing out 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque, paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. On the interior here we've got a silk beige interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back here, we've got our S550 4MATIC badging, a power lift gate, comfort box for extra storage, all-season floor mats and regular floor mats. Coming alongside here, this one does come with their Premium 1 package, which comes with blind spot assist. We've got heated and cooled seats, memory seats, Burmeister sound system, power windows, illuminated door sills. It also comes with the driver's assistance package. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, backup camera, dual climate controls, our command center, a burl walnut trim and wood steering wheel. This vehicle has 64,283 miles. If you'd like to view more photos, check out feldmanimports.com.